Pretty congested?
Yes.
Yeah, I guess a little bit.
Well, we're going to open that up. This is called intake breathing. This is going to open up your nasal passages by 1,000,000%. It's actually insane.
Oh, wow, that's like a magic trick.
It makes my nostrils bigger.
Wow, my nostrils are definitely wide open. I can breathe. I can feel a lot of oxygen.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Definitely.
Yeah, 100%.
When would you use this for?
Definitely like sleeping at night.
Maybe when I run, for example.
Intakebreathing.com is literally going to blow your mind away. Use intake breathing.